The ocean is the least explored place on Earth. In its deepest regions, sunlight disappears, pressure becomes crushing, and strange sounds echo through the darkness. But in 1997, scientists recorded something unlike anything they had ever heard before. A sound so powerful, it was detected nearly 5,000 kilometers away. They called it the Bloop. The sound was captured by hydrophones, underwater microphones designed to monitor activity in the Pacific Ocean. These systems were originally built during the Cold War to detect submarines moving silently beneath the sea. But what they picked up in the summer of 1997 was something entirely different. The signal was incredibly low frequency. It rose rapidly in volume, then faded away. Scientists nicknamed it the Bloop because of the unusual shape of its waveform. And almost immediately, theories began spreading. One theory stood out above all the others. What if the sound came from a living creature? The Bloop was louder than any known animal sound ever recorded. Even blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, couldn't produce something that powerful. This led many people to imagine an enormous creature hidden somewhere in the deep Pacific, a life form larger than anything humanity had ever discovered. And considering how little of the ocean we've actually explored, the idea didn't seem impossible. More than 80% of Earth's oceans remain unexplored. We've mapped the surface of Mars in greater detail than the bottom of our own oceans. At extreme depths, pressure becomes so intense that most submarines can't survive. Entire ecosystems exist in total darkness. Creatures there evolved in ways that seem almost alien. Transparent skin, bioluminescent bodies, massive jaws. Some species discovered in the deep sea look less like animals and more like something from another planet, which is exactly why theories about the Bloop spread so quickly. But years later, scientists proposed a different explanation. The sound likely came from ice, specifically massive Antarctic icequakes. When huge sections of ice crack apart or grind against each other underwater, they can create powerful low-frequency sounds. Researchers eventually found similarities between the Bloop and other recorded ice-related noises. For many scientists, the mystery was solved, but not everyone agreed. Whether the Bloop was caused by ice or something else entirely, it reminded the world of one terrifying fact. The deep ocean remains one of the most unknown places on Earth. Somewhere beneath the darkness, there are still sounds we can't explain, creatures we haven't discovered, and mysteries still waiting in the abyss.